This is the first acquisition of 2026. I seem to really be on a roll for some reason. I'm also running out of space, but that's a future me issue. This is a Dirt Devil Upright Plus 6 amp. Seems to me like this was Dirt Devil's answer to the Elites. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. It's very Elite-esque, except it does have the Dirt Devil signatures. $5.99 from Goodwill. It runs. It's noisy like all of these were, but I think this one needs... I think this one's got some bearing noise. I need to find a belt for it, because the belt that's in is rather loose. But I also think it's not helped at all by the fact this thing has so much suction that it's pulling the carpet off the floor. So I might just need to find a better carpet to test this on. Headlight works. Vacuum works. I think this thing acts like a 2-speed. When I put the handle down, the vacuum really slows down, but I don't think... But it doesn't seem like it's actually the carpet agitation dragging it down. I'm going to do some testing, but if you know if these things have like a 2-speed thing, where in the upright position it'll run on its high speed because hose use, then reclined it'll run low speed because you don't need as much suction for carpet. Let me know just to confirm what I find out later on, but let's see. It came with the hose. It came with the crevice tool and the wand. I think these only came with one wand because you've got the wand built into the hose. The weird diverter thing that you have to use to put it into hose mode. The cord has that really bad spot. There's another smaller spot down the line. I'll get those wrapped later. Show you the this tag for what it's worth. So this thing was made in 1992 in Plant D. See if I can unfill that a little bit. Doesn't seem like it's had a lot of use. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 6 amps. Really, carrying handle's nifty. So far, I mean, aside from being noisy, but I think every Director Dirt Devil from this era is noisy, and even Elites are noisy if they have the 5-blade or 7-blade. Seems to clean okay, aside from the brush roll almost completely stopping. Because as I said, it's pulling the carpet up. I'm going to test it on some different carpet in the house, but this is just the clearest area where I can film the best. All in all, I don't think it's a terrible machine. Definitely made during Dirt Devil's heyday, before they got sold to the Chinese and cheapened out into what they are now, which is... I mean, they're competing amongst themselves, I think. Because I think their biggest competitor is Eureka now. They're owned by Midea. Tektronix, they own more than half of the vacuum brands on the market, period, right now. I think they own Taconi Group, Hoover, Ulrich, which I think Ulrich used to be owned by Royal, so yeah. They own like half the vacuum market, so they're just competing with their own products now. Anyways, without further ado, have it set on medium. It's the only speed where it really works. Low bogs down more. High just does nothing. Gino, you might want to move, buddy. It's gonna get really loud. Don't say I didn't warn you. It does have quite a long spin down time, which is not super common for a direct-in machine like this. I don't really foresee myself keeping this long term. I've got a few guys I'm going to look at selling this to. Because I also need the space, and I've got a bunch of other machines I'm trying to sell as well. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next one.